Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I am also fine. Today you are now watching me that now I am standing my village home. Yes, you are watching me, you are listening me right. You now behind me you are watching that this is just rural area. So this is my village home. In this area, in this village, spent my childhood, and for now I am living my um, city cities area. So for its vocation, now I came here to spend my Eid day with my parents, with my family. So for this now, today I am here, and tomorrow next day, the we will spend our Eid day. So for this now I am feeling very excitement on, and you also know that today is our 29 speaking day of practicing, and for this I am also feeling very excitement that little by little we completed 28 days by speaking and practicing. This is just possible for your support, and also almighty god's almighty god's wanted. If my almighty god didn't want, then I don't complete this day. So I want to thank first of all my almighty, and also then you. So let's start our today's video. You know that every day now I'm speaking, I'm discussing about randomly in any topics, not any specific topics. So for this today I also want to speak randomly, and the most important thing today I will going to share with yourself the to my surrounding myself. And you today is a special because this is my first video on this place, and my 28 day, my past 28 day 28 video I speak spoken in a place, and that is a paddy fields and a paddy farms. But now today I changed my place. So stay connected till the end and enjoy this journey. I want to improve my speaking quality. Then why will be helpful? How will be helpful to if I just listen? Yes, listening is important. Let me give an example. If you just think of a child, yes, a child, a kids, small kids, how he is learn his mother tongue. Just think for a while. He don't learn from his first language, his mother language, by reading any books. Don't know, you know this, but they don't learn this language by reading any books. They listen from his brother, from his parents, and also then he repeat this. Yes, he is feel comfortable to repeat anything in anything. We don't think this is my also have to my mother tongue. This is not he. What thing he listen, he just repeat this. He is like very much to repeat anything. He repeat this again and again, and by doing this every day, little by little, he is introduced with this new language. So we have to be this like this child to learn a new language. So you understand that listening is very important, and then speaking. When you listen something, then you have to be try to instantly repeat this. Repeating is very important. Repeat this again and again. By repeat this you can learn one new ideas, one new pattern, one new method, one new sentence. So you have to be repeat this. By repeating this again and again, you have to be learn one new language, one new sentence. Because if you just speak, then you can comment, you can question me that I can speak, I know some method, I know some structure for speaking. Then I think I require you. Then you starts your journey. This is very important. You have to be starts your journey by speaking what you already know. Starts with this. Then you you practice every day, and with at least 5 or 10 minutes you try to listen something is new, something which is important for speaking. Try this, because when you listen something, you can understand something new. You also will introduce with some new ideas, some new concept, which is also important. So listen with this together, listen and also speak. Speaking is important and listening. Then the third is writing. You also can do this or not, that's not matter. If you want, if you can every day, then also you can do this by pausing one day, that's not matter. But the two more important is speaking and listening. This must, you have to be do this if you want to improve your quality, speaking quality. To improve your speaking quality, you also need to listen. Listening quality first of all you have to be improved, then you can improve your speaking quality. And the fourth is writing. I spoke this. And the fourth is reading. Yes, you have to be read this also important. You have to be read loudly. Reading is very important. So this fourth thing, if you can follow, if you can do this or you can maintain this, you can also upload or you can upgrade your speaking quality. So inshallah, I hope this, and I am doing this every day. At least 1 month I did this, and for this now I am feeling this, that in feeling within my mind, that's improvement. So for this I think I also require this. Then you question me, if I just look at behind me 1 month before, I didn't speak like this kind of fluence, but I did these four things every single day. And if I also remember something, that I I also did one thing, listening. Yes, listening is very important for, and for this I did one very important tricks. Then you also can follow these things. For this I am sharing with yourself these things. That is, starts one podcast or one speech, Jack Ma or any many people have who can speak very confidently, and firstly they are English speaker, English motivational speaker. I follow them, and I started one video, and then I keep my phone on my table, and this is maybe 10 minutes, within 15 minutes. Then I keep my sounds loudly, and then I repeat this by watching the subtitles and by listening, reading, and also speaking, repeating these three yeah, these three tasks. I did this with together, and for this I feel benefit. And I also require you also can follow these kinds of method. I get benefits from this method, and for this I'm sharing with this. So this you can do this. And for I did this every single day in this month, this past month. And also I am doing, I hope you are got it, and also you will follow these kinds of tricks in your to your journey. And also you don't trust me, if you don't trust me, then you can do another thing, that you also, a lot of videos, I know you know that a lot of video in YouTube, in Facebook, a lot of video have. And also you also can watch this video, and watch, listen a lot of video in English. It's also helps to improve your speaking qualities, your listening qualities, your understanding qualities. This also need, because one thing also have, which I don't require you, I don't speak, but when you listen a lot of video, then you will notice, or you will introduce with these things, which is that is thinking is very important. We all time things in our mother tongue. And so when you will listen a lot of video in English, then you speak, your thinking quality will improve. So for this, then you will feel better when you can started your thinking in English, then it will boost to speaking, your speaking quality in English. So listening is very important. listen a lot of you can't imagine this, and you can trust me. I hear a lot of thing. Listen in English when I sleep. So for this, now I want to close my video. uh, Learn every day new words, and that's all for today. And I also made a lot of mistakes in this video, because I am also a learner. Making mistakes is not something the opposite that you are not improving. This is a symptoms that you are improving, and making mistakes is a part of success. So I don't fear, I don't shy to make my mistakes. So if you find any mistakes, or if you find mistakes, then you can comment me. You can notice this mistake, then you can comment me. You can inform these kinds of mistakes. It will help me to improve my English, and also it will help me to it will makes me happy. That's all for today. And if you find this video fruitful, then you can share this video with your friends. So have a good day.